I fixed 99% of my life's chaos, using a habit that takes less than 60 seconds. My apartment looked like a tornado hit a thrift store until I started a literal 60-second timer. So I sprinted around, chucking one item into the trash every single day for a month. Yes. One piece of garbage. 1 minute. No exceptions. Day 1. I ditched a cracked mug, felt dumb. Day 7. The counter stayed visible, felt weird. Day 14. Friends asked if I hired a cleaner, nope. Still just trash baskets sprinting. Day 21. Dopamine hit so strong I added a second loop, 30 seconds. Wipe the sink. By day 30 I'd trashed 30 objects and wiped 30 sinks. Visual proof. The same countertop that once vanished under mail now reflects my ceiling light. The mess didn't shrink gradually, it imploded. 1 minute compounded into a tidy apartment, clearer thoughts, and a calendar suddenly filled with workouts, not panic cleaning. One item, 1 minute. 30 days. Could your chaos survive that? Comment the single object you'd chuck first. Then, prove it tomorrow.